Hi! Welcome back to our channel. We're Nitish and Sonal, and we make travel videos so you can see the world through our eyes. As part of our Amalfi Coast series, we'll be exploring Capri today. Capri is a beautiful little island in southern Italy, famous for shopping and the amazing landscape, which you'll get to see in this video. As it's an island, the only way to Capri is by ferry, which docks at Marina Grande. If you're visiting Sorrento or anywhere else on the Amalfi Coast, you'll easily be able to get into Capri. As you saw at the start of the video, we took our ferry from Sorrento to Capri, and altogether it took about 30 minutes to reach our destination. On this occasion, we didn't pre-book the ferry tickets because our plans changed last minute. This meant that we didn't get a seat on the ferry. However, for us this was okay because it was quite a hot day, so we were really thankful for the sea breeze. The return journey on the ferry cost us €40 per person. We didn't really have an itinerary for this day trip. I had done some research prior and knew that I had to take the funicular up to the main city centre, but apart from that we were happy just walking around and exploring the island. Ideally, 3 days is a good amount of time to explore an island like this. But a day trip is still worth it because you can get a good vibe of the place, and then you can always visit at another time. The funicular is right opposite the beach in Marina Grande. The ticket station is at a different location to the actual funicular station, so just be aware that you'll have to queue for the ticket and then queue again for the funicular. Altogether, I think it took about an hour to get onto the funicular. You can also get a bus which runs regularly up to Capri. Once on the funicular, it's a short 5-minute uphill ride. There are some seats, but most people were standing. Once you get off the funicular, there are steps up to Piazzeta di Capri. Apologies if I said that wrong. So that's the main square in Capri. But before that, there's a lovely viewpoint where you can get some stunning photos. Capri is definitely a shopper's paradise. There are so many shops, from high-end boutiques to independent designers. You can spend the whole day browsing the shops. Of course, there are also many restaurants, coffee shops and limoncello shops, so you can always stop for a refreshment when you get tired of all that shopping. Of course, like anywhere in the world, make sure you check TripAdvisor before visiting any of the restaurants.
As you may already know, Capri is a luxury destination and draws in a lot of celebrities. Plus, it's an island, so it can be quite expensive. So do bear this in mind before travelling.
It's a very walkable town. Unlike Positano, which has millions of steps, and Sorrento, which is separated from the beach by massive cliffs, Capri is relatively easy to walk around. There are a few steps here and there, but all in all, it's quite easy to walk around. After walking around for about 5 hours and after a nice little lunch, it was time to head back. We got back onto the funicular and headed down to Marina Grande. Here's a bonus tip for you. We returned to Marina Grande about half an hour before our ferry was due to depart. However, we were able to get onto the earlier ferry and we didn't have to wait around for half an hour. So, if you want to leave earlier or later, this is totally fine. If you like this video and want to know more about the Amalfi Coast, we have a whole series of videos. I'll link it on the screen now. We had a really great day in Capri and would definitely like to come back one day and explore even more. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!